To set up DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL, start by logging into your DigitalOcean account and navigating to the control panel. From the top navigation menu, click on Databases and then click on Create a Database. Select PostgreSQL as your database engine and choose your desired plan. You can choose from a variety of plans, including Basic, Standard, and Advanced, each with varying levels of storage, memory, and vCPU. Once you have selected your plan, choose the data center where you want your database to be located. DigitalOcean has data centers all over the world, so choose one that is closest to your application or users. Next, create a name for your database cluster and set a password for the Postgres user. After creating your database cluster, you will be taken to the database overview page. From here, you can view the connection details, including the host, port, and username. You can also view the database nodes, including the primary node and any standby nodes. To connect to your database, you will need to whitelist your IP address. You can do this by clicking on the Security tab and then clicking on Add Trusted Source. Enter your IP address and click Add Trusted Source. You can then use a tool like PSQL to connect to your database. Best practices for setting up DigitalOcean Managed PostgreSQL include using a strong password for the Postgres user, whitelisting only necessary IP addresses, and regularly backing up your database. You can set up automatic backups by clicking on the Settings tab and then clicking on Backups. In addition to these best practices, it is also important to monitor your database performance and adjust your plan as needed. You can view database performance metrics, including CPU usage, memory usage, and disk usage, by clicking on the Metrics tab. If you need more storage, memory, or vCPU, you can upgrade your plan at any time. By following these steps and best practices, you can set up a secure and scalable DigitalOcean managed PostgreSQL database. This will provide a reliable and efficient data storage solution for your application, allowing you to focus on development and growth.